What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video, and don't mind that rocket. Yeeps got a new update. We're in lab, and what's in the new update? Sure.
Pull the chain. Pull the chain. More. It breaks creative blocks.
Wait, and it sends people flying.
No! Stop it! I can't turn it on. It does nothing. Stay away.
Ooh, two.
Ah, you're destroying. No! Get away! Get away from me! You're destroying the whole thing! Help!
It sends people flying.
There's also a vote broadcaster. Kind of like the text broadcaster, but it's a vote broadcaster.
Bam! Bam! Oh.
Let's go.
Type it in the code, you know. So,
Follow me. Vote Beanie
Club?
Bajini.
Interesting.
Oh, this is new. Ginger. Boom boom.
Should I buy it?
Probably.
Bing, bing, bing. Oh wait, I forgot. I bought these. Wait, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. Whatever. All I really need is these.
Just make a choice. New map?
Bam! Bing! Bada bang! Bop boop! Oh, new map! Release the baby! Bam! 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 construction site? What?
Wait, is this the first official map to have banned items? The chainsaw's not allowed.
This is tap tag.
Nothing's nothing's. Oh wow, barely anything. Only explosive sticky bombs and regular sticky bombs. I mean, you can still. Butt shows are allowed. You can still go. Pew. Pillows are allowed. Okay, pretty cool. Wait, when I was last in this map, the music was different. Is it randomized? Because last time I was here, it was some Indian music.
This is so cool.
Indian. Actually, I'm pretty sure when Community Worlds came out, this was sort of like one of the Community Worlds, and I think it just got
you know
kind
what
of
would be
revamped.
cool if this map slowly got built over time, and then it was a full like prop hunt map.
I don't know.
I say it could happen. I don't know where you are. I'm scared. Ah! Oh, I messed that up. Oh.
I give up. Ooh, wrecking ball. Oh wait, this is actually climbable. Wait, oh, it's a zip line.
Oh! I am safe. No, doggy! I don't want to be with this sewer.
Wait,
Secret place.
are you okay?
Probably a butt coin in here when it gets released.
Come up here.
Secret area!
Secret area. Where? Wait, what's in here?
Secret area.
I was just up here.
Secret area. Oh wait, this is gonna be cool. Hey.
Wait, no, come here. Look at the inside right here.
Yeah, I know. But look, secret area.
I saw that. I was trying to follow you.
Secret area.
But they have a power on sound
Secret area.
and a horn.
Die.
Boom.
Pretty skippity map. A dumpster. Probably another butt coin gonna be
Speakers in here is crazy.
I found another secret area. I found a secret area in the trash bin.
I think the red crane's bigger. What do you mean secret area?
Secret area.
Was like a pillow blocking it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is all the music disc. Oh, the music shop is here.
Shuffle.
Oh, it's randomized. What? They're both playing at the same time.
Then shuffle.
One of these sounded like Indian music. Which one sounds like Indian music? One of these was Indian. It was like temple music.
My favorite music. Wait.
Where's the Indian one? Oh, this is the Indian one. The way the dish just bounced right out.
Your bat's loud.
Wait.
Exact same place. Crazy. I know. I'm a professional.
I don't know if there's something on the fantasy tech web. I haven't checked.
Well, that failed. Let's go check fantasy and then video basically over, guys. Anything new?
Nope. I still haven't got this. Back in my day, they used to call me Michael Myers. You use this a chainsaw? Back in my day, they called me Freddy Krueger.
You mean Leatherface?
Back in my day, they called me Face made of leather.
Boo boo, you can't get me.
What did you say?
I said no, boo boo. You can't get
Ankle! Ankle! Oh,
Ankles is crazy.
I'm stuck!
I don't have any more pins. Oh, there we go. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Go play this nice, fine, chilling day. When it comes out, you know, average day. I will be making a video on the buck coins when it does come out. So yeah. See, I don't have aim assist. Oh. No.
Cat.
So,
chop you later.
So, see you guys in the next video. I'm just gonna block off there. And see you guys in the next video for the 5th time. Bye.